the camera on that microphone picks it up.
You better talk.
We'll put it on YouTube. Cool.
I'll be right back. That's amazing.
Military base. Maybe something in the weather to do with it. Holy crap. Play a sound of a jet sonic boom on YouTube.
You just hear the song boom once.
Yeah, it's different.
I'm like people are driving towards it to see what's going on. Here we go.
It's just going non-stop now. Did you hear that? What the fuck makes a noise like that? Can you hear that? Those booms in the background? You can hear the kids back there. My campfire. Oh, there somewhere. Fuck, I can't seem to get it to show up. You can hear that shit. You just heard my cat fucking meow over here, probably. Okay, so those large booms started at right around 8 with 3 big ones. It's 9:37 now. Anyway, so it was like boom, 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 like huge fucking booms. Like huge. And then they started going rapid fire like machine gun, just but deep fucking bass. Sound like coming from miles away. And it settled off for a while, and now it's starting to go off again. To mention, 2 weeks ago I had 4 UFOs fly right over my fucking head. Just about in the same place. Oh yeah, more than one guy can handle, I'll tell you that much. Pretty sure that's not fireworks. There was some going off over here, too. It was lighting up behind the tree. I don't know, man. I feel like I'm going crazy, but fuck. Anyway, that's what I'm fucking listening to. September 13th. We are looking southwest from roughly Queenie Park. Alright, peace out. Alright, so I'm following these things across the sky. This is the fucking 4th one I've seen. Looks like a hot air balloon. I don't think it is, though. It's fucking crazy. It's got this weird kite-shaped halo. It's like fucking bouncing around on it. What the fuck is that? The 4th fucking one. It is hot as fuck here in St. Louis. I have no idea what the fuck these things are. I mean, unless those are hot air balloons in the jet stream, but I don't fucking think so. The halo is bouncing around like it's not a real thing. It's like atmospheric effect. And there's like a fire. When you look straight up at it, it looks like it's in the front corner of this diamond-shaped fucking halo. It's fucking insane. So anyway, fuck, I hope some more come through. I had time to wake some people up here. Otherwise, I'm just another crazy dude with a fucking video. Alright, peace. Well, I'll follow this thing for a little while. What the fuck is that shit? I hear some people in the neighborhood making a lot of noise. I wonder if they're not seeing the same shit. That is fucking crazy.